Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy, simple homemade cake which is very easy and especially it is very loved by the kids. Today I have taken a well-ripe banana. Let the variety of the banana be anything, but it should be well-ripe. Cut the banana into small pieces into a mixer jar. To that I am going to add 1 spoon of fresh instant coffee powder, which is going to enhance the flavor of the cake. Along with that, I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Instead, you can also add jaggery powder. For a fresh fragrance, I'm adding 3 ilachis, the cardamom, and 1/4 cup of sunflower oil. Instead, you can also use melted butter. I'm going to now close the mixer and grind the ingredients added. And if you see, it is well grinded. And look at the texture of the paste, it is very glossy as well. So now we are finished with the wet ingredients. Now we are to filter the dry ingredients. For that I have kept a bowl and a filter on its top. I'm going to add 1 cup of wheat flour. Instead you can also add maida, 1 spoon of baking powder, 1/4 spoon of baking soda. That is all with the dry ingredients. And now we are going to just sieve it completely so that we can get rid of the particles that are present in the dry ingredients. Mix well so that the baking powder and soda gets mixed well. To this we are going to add the grinded mixture of the coffee and banana. After adding this, I am going to give a good mix so that the dry and the wet ingredients form into a batter. To adjust the consistency, I am adding 1/4 cup of milk as well. So now we are almost done with the cake batter. Finally, I am going to add some of my interested dry fruits which I have at home, the raisins and the cashews. You can also instead add badam, pistachios as per you wish. I'm going to just mix it well. I'm adding these dry fruits just to have a crunchiness in the cake. Grease the cake tray with butter or oil completely. After the greasing is done, I'm going to add the cake batter which we have prepared and kept. The cake batter should be thick. Tap it well so that the batter can be even while cooking. It rises up perfectly. After this, I'm going to add some topping with the preferable dry fruits which I have at home, with the cashews. You can also do the topping with your own favorite and desirable fruits which you have. So now, if you see, I have kept the cake tray in a preheated kadai for 5 minutes in high flame. After that, I have placed the cake tray. Now I'm going to cook it for 20 minutes in low flame. After 20 minutes, if you see, the cake is all ready. See how it has risen up. It is very delicious as well to see. So let us wait for some other time for it to cool completely so that we can make pieces out of it. The cake now has completely cooled, and now if you see, I'm going to just unmold the cake from the cake tray. This cake can be prepared hardly within 20 to 25 minutes of time, including the preparation time. And if you see now, the cake is cooked perfectly as the poker does not have any balance of batter to it. So now I'm going to unmold the cake from the tray. It is indeed very delicious, very healthy, and the kids will definitely love it. And now here, see the texture of the cake that we have made. It is very soft. And I'm going to turn the cake upside down so that we can see the entire cake properly. And now here we go. Our easy, homemade, simple coffee banana cake is ready. And here you go with the texture. It looks like it has been baked in an oven. Now we can make pieces out of it. The pieces can be as per our interest. As I have baked in a banana mold, I am just cutting into bars so that kids find it a bit unique. Please do try this recipe at home and subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. And also tell your comments in the comment section about the different types of cake you make at home. I'm indeed interested. Press the bell icon to get my future video notifications. Stay connected, keep watching, and happy cooking.